Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you Samsung Galaxy A55 clear case. Do not confuse the clear, transparency case with the silicone case because they are different. The transparent case for Samsung A55 is not made of silicone, it is a transparent hard plastic case. Insert the phone into the case first, the side where the buttons are. The cutouts are perfect. If you need to insert or remove the SIM card, you have to remove the phone from the case. The power button and the volume buttons work without problems. This cover does not offer protection for the cameras on the back, the cover being level with the glass of the cameras. They can be scratched very easily. If you need to remove the phone from the case, it will not come out easily. Press the two corners to remove the phone from the case. If I were to rate this cover from 1 to 10, I would give it a 5 because the material is hard, slippery and does not provide protection for the camera. Thank you for watching. I wish you a wonderful day and goodbye.